I am going to write some letters here. Okay. Say what letter is this? J. This one I. This one V. This V. This one E. O. L. D. You also say, children, say the letter. Say and write. The next line you write. F. O. R. E. X. S. G. S. A. W. Then J. G. E. T. O. T. A. K. E. S. Then C. O. M. E. E. K. M. U. C. H. I. O. P. U. T. Say the letter, children. T. M. E. S. Then H. S. Z. X. T. O. N. G. T. R. T. H. E. N. C. W. Z. B. Y. C. F. O. R. C. O. M. E. J. W. N. T. U. G. J. U. S. T. S. E. E. I am going to write the words here. G. E. T. Get. Give. G. I. V. E. Give. M. E. Me. O. R. R. Put. P. U. T. Put. S. A. W. Saw. Just. J. U. S. T. Just. For. F. O. R. For. Then S. E. E. See. Much. M. U. C. H. Much. Old. O. L. D. Old. Then. T. H. E. N. Then. Take. T. A. K. E. Take. Come. C. O. M. E. Come. Buy. B. Y. Buy. To. T. O. To. Again and again you read these words, children. Then only you can understand and reading practice will come for you. Okay. See here. We are going to circle now. See. G. Where is G? You see. Where is G here? Okay. The next sentence. G next letter is E. T. G. E. T. You see. Here G. I is there. So come to the next line. Where is G. E. T? See here. G. E. T is here. Then circle. Okay. Then you see the next word. G. I. V. E. See where is G. I. V. E? G. I. V. E. Remember. G. See first itself is here. G. I. V. E. Then circle. Then next one. M. E. Me. You see here where M is there in the first line. Then you see, check it in the second line. Then come for the third line. Then see where you see This one is, here also ME is there, but there it won't come. Okay, see here, ME, me. Okay, then see OR, where is OR? Check children, line by line you check. Okay, slowly you check. Check one by one. Children, check here. OR. You see, where is OR here? See here, itself is there. OR. Then next, PUT. Put. See, where is P here? Check in the first line, then in the second line, then in the third line, then in the fourth line. See here, P is here. Okay, PUT. Put. Then SAW. See, yes, where is yes? You check. See in the first line, no. See here, here is yes, but the next word A is not here. Okay, then see here, SAW. See, it is here. Okay, then next you see JUST, just. You check here. Send line by line, you check. Slowly you check, no problem. J, where is J? See. See children. See here, JUST, just. Okay. Next one, FOR, for. See here, FOR, for. You see where is for here? Here also FOR, for is there, but it won't come because we already circle here OR. Then you see, line by line you check and see. Okay. See here, F is there, next O, next R. Then SEEC. See here, SEEC. See, where is S? Next letter is E. Okay. See, line by line you come. Here also S is there, but next letter is Z. So, SEE. See here, the last. Okay. Then MUCH. You see, where is M? Next letter is U. See here, MUCH, much. Then old, OLD, old. See O, where is O? See here, OLD. Okay. Then THEN. Then see where is T? Where is T? You find line by line. You see. Here also T is there, but next letter is H. See here, THEN. Then TAKE, take. See where is take? Where is T? You see, here one T is there, but the next letter is O. Then it won't come. See here, TAKE, take, it's here. Okay, circle. Then COME, come. Where is C? You check. COME. Where is C? See here, COME, come. Then BY, by. Where is B? See here, BY, by. Then TO, 2. Where is 2? See here. By seeing itself, you can easily find out. Okay. Totally, how many words is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 is there. You can check here. If we circle all the letters of a word, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 letters is there, words is there. Okay. So, we finished everything. Understand, children? That is in page number 77, book exercise, this one. Now we are going to see the next topic. Let us practice. T-H-E, the tree. T-R-E-E, tree. The tree is, I-S is B-I-G, big. The tree is big. The, T-H-E, the plant, P-L-A-N-T. The plant is small, S-M-A-L-L. See here, children. This is tree. Tree means maram. Plant. Plant means chedi. Okay, this one. See, the tree is big. The tree, this one is tree, is very big. Tree is very big. Mango tree, neem tree and all, very big. Plant. Plant is small. The plant is small. நம்ம தொட்டில செடி வளர்ப்போம்ல, அது சின்ன சின்னதா இருக்கும். T-H-E, the boy. B-O-Y. The boy is tall. Tall means height. The T-H-E, the girl. G-I-R-L, girl is short. S-H-O-R-T, short. The girl is short. See here, this one is boy. The boy is tall. Okay. This boy is very tall. The girl is very short. This one is girl. The girl is very short. The boy is tall. இந்த பாய் வந்து ரொம்ப ஹைட்டா இருக்கான். The girl is short. The girl வந்து ரொம்ப குள்ளமா இருக்கு, ஷார்ட்டா இருக்கு. The book is thick. T H E, the book. B O O K, book. The book is thick. T H I C K, thick. The T H E, the kite. K-I-T-E, kite. The kite is thin, T-H-I-N, thin. The book is thick. See here, this book is very thick. Okay, but kite means what? Kathadi, அது ரொம்ப thinna இருக்கும் paper மாதிரி. Okay, see here, this one is book. The book is very thick. This one is book. Kite is very thin. Read children, read once again. The, T-H-E, the, tree, T-R-E-E, tree. I-S is big, B-I-G, big. The tree is big. The plant is small, T-H-E, the plant, P-L-A-N-T, plant. I-S is small, S-M-A-L-L, the plant is small. இந்த ட்ரீ வந்து ரொம்ப பெருசாக இருக்குது, இந்த செடி வந்து சின்னதாக இருக்குது. பிக், ஸ்மால், பெருசு, சின்னது. The boy is tall, the girl is short, T-H-E, the boy, B-O-Y, boy. I-S is tall, T-A-L-L, tall. This boy is very tall, so height. Okay, the girl is short, T-H-E, the girl, G-I-R-L, girl. I-S is short, S-H-O-R-T, short. இந்த girl வந்து ரொம்ப குள்ளமாக ஷார்ட்டாக இருக்குது, சின்னதாக இருக்குது. The book is thick, T-H-E, the book, B-O-O-K, book. I-S is thick, T-H-I-C-K, this book. Okay, this book is very thick. T-H-E, the kite, K-I-T-E, kite means kathadi. I-S is thin, T-H-I-N, thin. This kite is very thin, nice paper mari irukku. Okay, the book is thick, the kite is thin. Okay children, rest we can see in the next class. Read this children, write in your class work and read this one, then only handwriting will be very good, the reading practice will come. Thank you children.